Hello everyone, welcome to race number 2. Today is Monday, March 28th. 200 miles today. I just got off of work. For me, it's exactly 200 miles, point 320. So it's around 11, let's see the clock, 11:51. So the speed so far is for the race number 1, 15:21. So hopefully can get some birds in maybe 30 minutes or less. Hopefully I'll be recording. I got the GoPro over there and I'll be over there on top because I see a lot of hawks already, but they are so high anyways. So see you guys later. Okay guys, so I see 4, but I don't know if all of them are mine. I think they are. Three more. Oh no, they scared. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, get inside. Come on, come on. Good job, guys. Good job. Nice. They try to land, but the hawk is right there on top. Come on, guys. There's a red tail on top. They try to land. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Go in. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Go in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's okay. What are you guys looking at? When they look up, it's a hawk or more birds coming. Come on, guys. You waste a lot of time already. Come on, come on. So far, I got 12. I sent 14. So it's 12:15. Let's see. So the first one with the speed of 14:32, and I got the last one 13:90. 12 of 12. I need 2 more for this race and another 14 for race B, which are the hens. Good boy. Come on, get inside. That's the number 13. Get inside, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, girl, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, guys. Come on, ladies. You're wasting time already. Good girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on, go in. Come on. It's a black one, hen. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't know if he's from the race or he's one of the young ones that I'm missing. Looks like young one. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, he was waiting for the gristle. Both hands. Come on, girls. No wonder she was waiting. She was waiting for the gristle. Come on, come on. You guys late. Come on. Come on, gristle. Good lady. Come on, come on. Huck is over there. No worries. Come on. Okay, guys. So it's 116, 117 already. 116, and the speed's still 1100 and 1200. And I got 27 birds already in. I sent 28. One cock is missing from race A. Hopefully not missing, just late. And that's it, guys, for race number 2, 200 miles. Next week is again, we're going back to 150, and I think the next one is 300. So I'll see you in the next one, guys, and I'll show you the results of the race 1. Okay, see you guys on the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, this is the results of last week race number 150 miles. Race A, this is for club results. I got bird number 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 30s. So let's go to race B. And this is the results for race B, 150 miles. So I got birds on 4th and 5th. and then 19, 23, 28, 31, and down. So let's go to the combine results. And this is the results for the combine. So I went down to 10, 22, 23, 20, 23, 25, 30, 10 and 20%. Let's go to race B on the combine. So they placed me on number 7 and 8. They kicked me out of the 20% to 31st, 37 and down on the combine. So okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Next weekend is gonna be another, again, 150 miles, and next week I'm gonna show you the results for today's race, 200 miles results. Okay guys, so see you in the next weekend, and take care, and thank you for watching.